Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. So I didn't record while I was making this card because it was just a really long process. I didn't know what kind of card I was going to make, but I finally got it together and I could share it with you now. We were still using the same paper pad from Michael's, and I found a cut file on my Cricut. The name of the paper pad is Tropical Vacation, or Tropic Vacation. Tropic Vacation, oh my goodness. So the cut file came with 3 cut pieces, and it was, this is the original size. This is a 3x2 size card, and I didn't realize it, and I had to start all over again because this is a really tiny card. So anyway, this was the original size. It came with this yellow piece right here is 1 cut file, and then the green piece, the background, is this part right here. It's green on the other side, is the 2nd cut file, and then the 3rd cut file is the envelope. So this is what originally came out of the Cricut cut file that I found, and I was like, okay, way too small. So I took that, I blew it up, and then I cut 1 piece of this yellow shape right here, this yellow shape, and then I had to cut 2 pieces of the green. So 1 for the background, the original background, and then the 2nd piece I flipped it over so that the outside, so which is this color, the pink right here, could be the cover of our card. Okay, so I'm not the best card maker. That's why I turned to my silhouette. So when the card is complete, outside of the front of the card, it should look like this, and it will stand on its own. It stands like that. Okay, so originally it'll stand up, so like a 3D card. Okay, so I don't usually make cards. I'm not good at it, but the challenge that I'm entering, they required a specific shape card. I mean, a creative card, you know, outside of just a flat card. So as you can tell, this is for Carolina, Carolina's Crafts. So I just thought, okay, let's do some pineapples, since I already started the set with all the pineapples, and I figured, okay, let's do a pineapple kind of card. And I thought, be a pineapple, and then when you open it up, I hand wrote "Stand tall and wear your crown," and then on the other side here I used the Cricut to cut out "Happy Birthday Carolina." Okay, and then the middle is the pop out, so it should stand on her desk or table like this, and it stands on its own, and it's very dimensional and very present on your table. So when you close it, it looks just like that. So the last thing I have to do is write "handmade by me." I tend to forget that. So here's the foam stickers that I used, and these are from Thickers Happy. I don't know. It's from American Crafts, but I think I got this at Walmart. So there's the card. Then I made the envelope that came with the card, and then it's just gonna go right in here, just like that. Well, it's supposed to go in there. Doing it upside down and backwards. There we go. So that is it for this birthday challenge entry. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry, I'm just a little tired. And then I'm not going to seal it with anything. I'm just going to find a little fun sticker. I'll find one of my stickers up here in my sticker collection and just put it right there so that she can open it up. But that is it. I'll probably put her name on the front side. So it'll look like that. And then I will have her embellishment box like that. And then my extra box with her crowns, and I shared those in previous videos. Alright, so I think the last thing, if you want extra points, you're supposed to make like I think flowers and rosettes, I think, but that'll all be in another video. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.